Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. And Dina, too. Hi, Ontario Homesteader. Well, Uncle Al's a little tired, and I'm trying to do this one quick because Uncle Al heard news and everybody's running around like, oh, Iran, Iran. A lot of people miss a few things. Now, a lot of people don't know we're switching from winter gas to spring gas. This is cash is king. All right. This one I had to do because a lot of you kids have no idea what's going on. Uncle Alan, as sick as I am and ill as I am, very sharp, and I know what's going on. Now, this month, I always talk about getting canned foods. And this month is meat month, and I got one of the best deals on the market, sardines and olive oil or water. I like olive oil because I can make a nice pasta dish with sardines, or I can deep fry them. I do a lot with sardines. I do a lot with seafood. Now, a lot of people, they don't listen to Uncle Al. Fine. But this is important, kids. I'm trying to get more people join Uncle Alan. I'm trying to hit about 1,000. So far, it's not working, and I don't have time. I got to meet my quota of 1,000 more videos, and I quit. Reason why? You don't have that much time. You got 7 months and 2 weeks. All right? This is the first wave. A lot of you are not prepared. Yeah, kids, you should listen to Uncle Al. Now, almost cats doing the slow burn or a slow boil if you're a frog. And people still don't understand what my title of my page is. Coffee. Also, the anti-stroke medicine is making me loopy as hell. So first off, cash is king. If you're in a red state, it's 2,500. If you're in a blue state, a lot of blue states are heading for trouble. You want 4,800 in cash. And then a lot of you get rid of your debt and you should have 10 grand in a passport. Don't touch it. This is a no touchy one. Okay, if you're in a major banks, pull your money out and put it in a smaller savings and loan. Check its finances. We're going to have a financial dip. Now, a lot of people don't understand that. Uncle Alan knows a lot of things. And I'm trying to do it 2 more videos today, but this is the first one. Let's see. Don't forget just-in-time prepping. That's Will's channel. Next one's going to be Saturday. Please check him out at I think 8 p.m. or 6 p.m. Sunday evening. I never get those right. I'm just getting old and tired. Remember, 7 months and 2 weeks. All right. And the Democrats are really pushing their agenda hard. And this is why I always mention this, because they're doing everything they can. Like Kamala Harris, she wants to get rid of ARs. That's stupid as hell. Why? Because she's power crazy. Yeah, let's get a Democrat power crazy. The only people that Kamala Harris is going to hurt is my black bros, my African American brothers. If you elect her, just dig a hole and get ready to jump in. Because she's not normal. She's like the rest of the Democrats out of their skulls. And they're trying to grab what's remaining power before it comes. Now, Uncle Alan's sharp as hell and smart as hell. And I got to watch out for your kids. Okay. Now, right now, pretty soon it's Memorial Day sale. You try to get food, certain gear. Make sure you have your gear, but make sure you have cash. We go back to that. This is why Uncle Alan's old and tired. And two, it's hard for me to find a single black female prepper. Cannot find it. It's a myth. I'm tired. I'm going to pull out another piece of cardboard. We got dumped tomorrow, Afro Survivals and Sister Prepper, which is pretty good channels. Now, I do have other channels I starting to watch was Palmetto Preparedness. Let's talk about prepping. Cheryl Hirsch, DIY Fun, Little Prepper Lady, and Prepping in Progress. I'm studying these channels. Now, right now, a lot of them are getting offline. Well, they're losing track. They're wandering all over the place. I'm doing something for Tyler that he kind of missed. And right now, if you're smart, you should get a ball of pine pitch. First thing you do if you're a beginner prepper, you want a golf-sized ball of pine pitch. You can heat that up in a little can, add a little water to liquefy it just enough, and then you pour it into a mold, make a golf ball shape size of pine pitch. Now, a lot of people look at me and they're saying, Uncle Alan, that's crazy. And I said, you don't know what you could do with pine pitch. A lot of people don't know that you could buy a bar of titanium steel, cut it into 2.5 sections, 2-inch sections, and sell it as a flint striker. Now, Uncle Alan knows a lot of stuff, but right now, you should be worrying about having some cash on hand. If we have a bank closure for 2 weeks, like in the 30s, you're going to be seriously in trouble. Like Greece, they couldn't get into their financial account because all the banks shut down. What happened if that happens in the United States? Think about that, kids. I'm going to try to keep this short. Uncle Alan's old, tired, and sick as hell. First out, shout out to Wasteland Prepping. You better save something. I forgot what Scottish money is. About $2,500 in cash. Because once the ATMs close, your credit cards don't work, your ATM cards don't work, you're screwed. Okay? Anna Lee Brown, same goes for you. Belgian Prepper. Prep for it. Harshman Hills. Liberty Garden. Cindy John. Palmetto Preparedness. Corsair Trainer. Hi, Steve. I tell a lot of people go over to his channel and check it out. Diane SFNG. I do warn people, if we have a financial blip, because all the signs are showing it, that's 2 weeks you can't go to the bank, use your ATM card or credit card. You're screwed. Okay? Small Town Southern Housewife. Rob Painless. Kentucky Survival. Now, a lot of you people think Uncle Alan is nuts. Uncle Alan isn't nuts and knows what happens. Uncle Alan remember the day after 9/11 where all the financial centers were shut down for 2 days. All hell went loose. Now, Uncle Alan's trying to keep this short. So you think about that, kids. Remember, cash is king so far. Don't forget that. You might do silver, gold, jewels, you name it. But cash is king. Okay? And then, again, for you people who didn't see this last time, please get this book and read it. Very interesting, very knowledgeable. Don't be like this guy and wait till the last minute and you get stuck. And for you ladies out there, don't forget, Survival Mom. She does have a YouTube channel. I do recommend to get this book or check it out of the library. Now, my next video, if Tyler's ready, if Tyler's ready, we're going to talk about a small gimmick bag or small tool bag just in case you forgot things and all things gone to hell. This little bag is my Gucci bag or tool bag or odds and ends bag, stuff I keep around just in case. So we're going to look at in my notebook here, notebook about that. So hopefully I'll get enough time to do this. If people watch this video, thank you. Um, Please, if you have any little cash, you could donate a little bit down below. Uncle Alan's getting old and tired, and I'm pushing all the buttons because I got to be busy. Need 300 more people to join a board so I could do live streams and stuff. And also another thing is I don't have that much time, and neither do you. So this isn't panic. This is a warning because Uncle Alan has second sight. That's, if I could do it today, a third video. So anyway, I'll catch you later, kids. Bye, kids.